Did getting my diabetes in control contribute to my weight loss, or did my weight loss help with getting my diabetes in control? What walking 21,000 steps did to my blood sugar. Walking for health. Working in a hospital keeps me moving. Depending on the unit I work in, I walk 15,000 to 21,000 steps per day, 2 to 3 times a week. This is some serious cardio just by doing my job. You don't have to do this many steps. It's about getting healthy, active, and full of energy. After losing 160 pounds through lifestyle changes without surgery, which I began 15 years ago and have maintained, I used to think there was no way I could do all those steps, especially when I was sedentary and obese. But working in a hospital, my body adjusted and got used to it. I lost weight, gained a lot of energy, and I became very motivated. And I also sleep better because I've lost weight and because I've got my A1C, my blood sugars, under control. If you're enjoying this video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. It really helps the channel grow. As you can see from my continuous glucose monitor, this shows a full 24-hour period. On the day I completed 21,000 steps, which is about 10 miles, I typically finish my shift around 6:30 to 7 p.m. But I follow intermittent fasting, so my first meal the next day isn't until 5 to 6 a.m. the next morning. My blood sugar remains stable throughout the 24 hours, showing how walking helps keep my blood sugar in control. Comment below if you'd like me to test a specific food to see how it affects my blood sugar. I also have several different playlists, which include weight loss, diabetes, cooking, health, and wellness. Look out for my next video. Until next time. 88 recommendation. For people with diabetes, a spike in blood sugar after eating, postprandial glucose, is typically considered too high if it's more than 30 to 50 milligrams above your pre-meal level, depending on the situation.